Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be doing a hairstyle inspired by a TikTok that I saw. This is it. I'll tag her name down below because this is not my idea. I got it from her. I wanted to try it because it looked cute, and of course my hair is much thicker than hers. So I'm just saturating my hair with water, not that much, and I'm brushing it out with my curl brush. Then I'm getting my leave-in and applying that, then going in with my oil, then my gel. Yes, my gel, my extreme wetline gel, just a little. And I am just gonna do them in sections, like do the ponytail in a section first and then combine everything together. Because I wanted one side to go left and the other to go right, so I didn't think it would make sense to do it all in one, so I just did them in sections and I'll combine it. Then I'm getting my edge control from Kiss X Saweetie, and I'm doing my edges, and of course I'm using some of that on the ponytail to catch the flyaways and stuff like that, so it's sleek for the braid to actually go on it. And when I saw this video I was like, wow, this is so cool, because my hair is so thick I can't even do a halo braid on myself. This is really quick and easy, like so quick and easy. Next I'm gonna get my headscarf, tie, whatever you want to call it, and tie my hair down while I prepare the braiding hair. I decided to put it on my doorknob because I needed something as an anchor to actually braid the hair, and I'm not doing the braids tightly, I'm just passing it loosely. So, like, I was so pleased with how laid my hair was. You can see it in my expressions. Like, yes, child. But moving on, yeah, and I was feeling my puff / hang time. So moving on, I am going to get the braid and I'm gonna pin it. I'm gonna pin the first one on whichever side you want to start off on, pin it down and then pin it straight around to where the ponytail meets, because you're gonna be combining that with the ponytail sooner or later. So combine it in the ponytail so it looks seamless and it's hidden. And you can either do it this way, or you can do, like, you can just pin it on your hair and then start plaiting like what I did. She did that in the video, but I forgot when I was doing the plait. So when I went back and I watched it, I saw that she was doing it like this. So you can do it either way, it doesn't matter which one is easier for you. kind of pull out the braids because I plaited it to the end. So I'm gonna pull it out and get a scrunchie and combine it with the ponytail, as I said before. Then I'm getting some more hair and I'm just making that with, I'm just looping that with another scrunchie. Of course, so many scrunchies, like I had a headache at the end of this, and I'm gonna attach that again and then detangle everything and start plaiting again to make the ponytail. The ponytail was thick. I didn't want it to be thin. I wanted to match the consistency of the halo. So, and also I wanted to match the thickness of my hair. I didn't really conceal it as much as I would like because I was working with a limited amount of hair, but I think I did well. So I'm gonna braid that and then come back to you guys. I just added some gold clips just to add a little flair to the hair, and also I did clip the ends of the braid so it's like a blunt tip, which is fine. And if you don't have the time to like curl it or anything, you could just do that. Shout out to the girl who actually did this style. I really liked it. So if you want to check out her TikTok, I'm gonna put the name or the link in the description. You can check out her page, and if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and like this video. I'm trying to get to possibly 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year or January, whichever one. Hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.